Here's the back side of the lock. It takes 4 AA batteries. Now the key to this thing is, when you're putting it in, you're like, why won't it open and close properly, right? There's a little button under here you have to reset. Well, it comes with a little reset tool. It's kind of like this, the size of this drill bit, or like a paper clip essentially. And you have to stick it in right here. See this reset button right here? And that calibrates the memory of the lock so it knows which way it's orientated. So if you don't do that, it won't work properly. It took me a while to figure that out. Super easy to lock it when you're leaving. All you do is hold any button down for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Boom. She locks. You're coming home, type in the code. And then hit enter. Boom. There you go. And you always use the key. So I have the key, Mom has the key, and the boys have the code. You can program multiple different codes in here. It's super easy, guys. All you do is have to hit the original code it comes with, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and enter. And then it'll flash, and you can program in your new code. So once you reprogram your master code, you can program, I think it's up to 9 or 10 additional 4-digit PIN codes. So right now I only have 2 codes in here. You can do like 11111, but I will tell you that one of my codes does have 3 ones in it. So 1, 2, 3, boom, and then lock. All right, it's open. You gotta make sure. It only really, the purpose of the code is just to unlock it, guys. So 1, 2, 3, and then enter. Boom. When you're leaving, all you do is hold it down. 1, 2, and then it locks it. And it is a good all metal lock. Don't mind my door. I kind of jacked it up from the last lock I put in there. But this is not my only lock with this door. It does come with a nice bottom handle, which I did not put in yet because I like the little door lock. But this one does not have that. So make sure that you have models that have the door lock as well. Make sure when you order this, you get the one that has the door lock if you want the doorknob lock. There you go. But that's a review of this auto lock. It's really slick, guys. I've had it for about a month. I've had 0 issues with it. The only thing is, make sure you hit that reset button to calibrate it. And this is how it is on the back side here. Stupid curtains in the way. All I do, slide over, she's locked. Boom. Open. Done. There you go. That's it. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Super easy. Highly recommend it, guys. Can't go wrong. If you got kids, super easy. Punch in some codes. Boom.
door is and why it feels very frustrating to me. It's a little loud.
Hey guys. Mira, ya lo hice. Ah, jeez.